I'm craving for cookie dough today, so I will attempt and make it myself, but I'm going to do two versions of it. First, I will do the healthy version and then the original, which is not that healthy. Then I will compare what they taste like. To do the healthy version, we're gonna need the processor. The recipe says 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, but because it's cold here, so the coconut oil is not melted. I have to melt it. Now this is the melted coconut oil. I don't have nut butter here, but I'll use peanut butter instead. Let's see. Should be okay. That's the healthy cookie dough done. Now, let's do the original cookie dough. I'm just gonna have to add chocolate chips now, but I bought the wrong one. I bought this one instead. Baking melts. So what I did is I just sliced them. Still the same. Oh! Now I will add this. The original cookie dough is here. Finish. So the last step, I just have to put this in the fridge. Now I just have to be patient and wait for maybe at least a few hours, and then I will try them. It tastes good. The chickpeas is not really overpowering the flavor. It's yummy. Alright, next let's try this. in there. This tastes like the Ben and Jerry's cookie dough. They're both good and they are very quick to make as well. So I'm gonna sit back and relax, and I'm gonna try and eat half of this and then a little bit of this and enjoy, maybe watch a movie